What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a indoor camera. You guys, this thing is a budget camera and we are going to put it to the test. When companies send these products out, I tell them straight up, I do real-time review. So if something happens in the middle of a review that's, the product defective or something, then I still put it out. I don't hide it. And for my day one people, they know that I don't hide it. With that being said, we are going to get into this indoor camera right now. Paper off, and then going to go ahead and unbox this. All right, and here we go. Fresh out the packet. Now, one thing I have to say that this looked like a little minion. So this looks pretty cool. It looked like it goes up and down. It probably goes up and down once we get it on the app. And it comes with a charging block, which is unusual these days. And it actually comes with screws, an anchor, and you get a mount. So that is nice. All right, so, and this is built in. So as you can see, this is built in like that. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead, hook it up and let y'all see the camera quality. And then we're going to wrap up the video. It says it has night vision, two-way audio, motion detection. All right, it says warning and all that stuff. So as usual, so I don't have to edit. There you go. All right. All right, you guys. So basically, y'all already know indoor cameras are good for, if you have babies or dogs, you want to keep an eye on them, or, kids, you want to keep an eye on your kids while you go out to the store and stuff like that, or just keep your house under surveillance. That way, if somebody, comes in the house unwantedly, then hopefully just give you notification, and then you can go ahead and call the police and let them know that somebody is trespassing. All right, so this is as much wire as you get. It looks like, I'm gonna say you get about 6 foot of wire. They give you a good 6 foot, you guys. So we're good right there. All right, you guys. So I am going to give y'all my final thoughts on the camera. The picture is good. I love the app. The app is simple, you guys. The app is not too much to this, okay? You have your screenshot, so you could just hit that button and it will automatically take a shot of whatever's in the camera, and it do it like instantly. So I can do it right now. Where is that screenshot? Boom. See? Took a photo automatically. So if you want to take a photo of your dogs or your kids in the house and be like, yeah, I saw you touching the remote, blah, 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 I got it on photo. Even though you got it on video, but all right. Now, to hold the talk, if I'm at work and I see my wife and the kids up, I'll hit this button right here, hold the talk. Hello? 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 How are y'all doing? All right, so you got feedback because I'm close to the mic and the interference, the frequency. So basically, yeah. The only thing with the hold the talk is you have to let go to hear the other person speak. That's the only thing. So if you're holding it and you just stay holding it, so if you say hello and you still holding it, you can't hear nobody. So that's the only thing with that. You do have the record button. Simple as that. You hit record and it records. You have your history right here. All right. So you can go ahead and hit your history. You got calendar. You can go back on your calendar. Now, this thing haven't asked me for no subscriptions or none of that, you guys. So basically, it's going by how much memory can you put in your little micro card. There's nothing here that asks me for a subscription from what I seen, but they do say cloud here, right? So it says cloud. Let me go back. So when I hit cloud and try to go back like on the 8th, when I click the 8th, it just says no recordings on this day. So I didn't record anything. That's how much I know right now. If you ask me any questions later on, once I do some more retesting and stuff like that, I'll let you know. And that's it, you guys. That is it. There's nothing much left to this. All right. The motion detection is impeccable. Like, as soon as something comes in front of this thing, you get notifications immediately. All right. So you have motion detection, and you can set up your motion detection right there. All right. You do have your directions where you want the camera to be. So this is the fun part for y'all. So right here, you click this right in the middle, and then you will see me move the camera, or you'll see the head of the camera move. And I think it's all the way up. All right. Left and right. And it comes right back to me. And then I'm gonna hold it again. All right. And it hits the other side. All right, over here it says lens switch. I never touched that, so let's go ahead and touch lens switch and see what it does. Lens switch, this lens is disabled. Okay, so you could turn the lens off and on. That's about it, you guys. Everything here is 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, 3 in the middle. You can see what you took photos of and video record. So basically, that's the album. I just took that photo with y'all, and that's a notification for this. That's how much this thing notifies you, you guys. All right, you guys, and I forgot to show you that if you need to put the SD card in here, what you need to do is lift the camera up, and then the SD card goes right there. Now you can see it. So it's a slot right there, and you have to put the SD card in there. So that's how you get the SD card in. I know people are going to be like, where the heck do you put it? So lift it up, put it in, and then that's it. All right. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about this little mini camera, put it in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.